Number 7. Clarissa drew the diagrams below. Diagram A, real numbers outside of irrational numbers. Diagram B, irrational numbers outside of whole numbers, meaning all whole numbers are irrational. So this one said, which statement about Clarissa's diagrams is true? Only diagram A is accurate because whole numbers are not irrational numbers. Okay, that one's looking accurate because whole numbers aren't. They're rational. They make sense. That's why we know it. Okay, B says only diagram B is accurate because irrational numbers are not always real numbers. But that is true though. Irrational numbers are still considered real numbers. B is wrong. C says both diagrams are accurate. That is not true. Whole numbers, they're rational. They make sense. So they cannot be considered irrational numbers. C is wrong. D says neither diagram is accurate because irrational numbers are not always real numbers and whole numbers are not irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are always whole numbers. If you remember the diagram we drew, we had our real number system. We had the irrational here. And then we had rational, integer, whole, and then, I can't write it very well, but natural on the inside. This diagram matches that irrational goes under the real number system. So that accurate diagram A is correct, where A is our only answer because only diagram A is accurate because the whole numbers are not irrational numbers. That is true.